What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coastal community. Today I have some information regarding the opening for the 2020 season at Kings Island. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now I know I literally just did a video like a day ago about Kings Island. Well, guess what? They have some new information already. The park will be opening up to season pass holders July 2nd to July 11th. Daily ticket holders and season pass holders will be allowed to enter July 12th. As far as the general public, they haven't said anything regarding when they are allowed to enter. I imagine it's going to be probably mid-July. And again, this is also going to be lower capacity for the park. I know you're excited and ready to plan your trip, but keep this in mind. Reservations will be required. You must complete a pre-health screening 24 hours prior to your visit. There will also be a touchless temperature screening before you enter the park. Masks will also be required, as well as social distancing. So that means when you're in line for food or for coasters, you must remain 6 feet. This also goes for retail shops as well. On top of all that, there will be enhanced cleaning procedures within the entire park. And if you're wondering about the water park, that is being determined right now of when they will open for that. And no, I didn't forget about Orion. Apparently that's going to be opening as well. Now I don't know if that's going to be opening to season pass holders that same day, but it is a possibility that this could happen. As far as media day, we don't know anything about that as well, but I imagine for media day it's definitely going to be low-key now. I'm guessing certain media groups will be allowed to enter at different times and get their footage and whatnot. That's all that I have for you guys today. Hope you all did enjoy this video. Hope it was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys, peace out.